Alright, kindergartners, you're going to do your win packet. You're going to turn to the page with the 2 and 9 at the top, and we're going to get started. You're going to need a pencil. Alright, first we're going to read, trace, and write. So first, I know that I says if and S says. So I'm going to blend those two sounds together, and it says is. Good, is, and let's trace it, and let's read it again as we write it. So I says if, S says, and it says is, and let's write it on your own. Good job. The beginning sound. Beginning sound means I say the name of the picture, and I hear the beginning sound, and I identify the letter that I hear. So, ring. What letter says R? You said R. You are correct, and write that in the box. Next, I see a picture of a heart. Good. Huh, huh. What letter says huh? H. Write that in the box. Next, I see a picture of a fish. I hear fish, and write that down. Extend my pattern. I see a turkey. Turkey. And what shape has 3 sides? A triangle. Turkey, turkey, triangle. Next should be a turkey. You said turkey, turkey? That's right too. So if you say 2 turkeys, that would be right, because when I look at that pattern, I see those turkeys as a unit. So if you want to draw 2 turkeys, that's fine. If you draw 1 turkey, still correct, right? So I'm going to do my best to draw a turkey in this box. I think I'll do 1 this time. So that would be what's next is 1 turkey. What do you think about my turkey? Okay. Next pattern. It is a hat, a moon, a hat, a moon, hat, moon. Next would be moon? Nope. It would be a hat. You're right. A hat. So I'm going to draw what I think looks like a circular shape on the bottom. Connected to a curved over triangle. With what I think looks like a little rectangle in the middle. What do you think? Alright, missing numbers. They did give you a number line at the top that you can use if you get stumped on what number comes next, or what number would be in between. So let's get started. So 21, 22, 23. Oh, I'm going to look up here on the number line, and this is 21, 22, 23. I see a 24 next. So we're going to get 24. Now, 22, 23, 24. Again, I'm going to use my number line. I see those numbers up here, and the after 24 would be 25. Good job. Let's get on here. Oh, this number looks like it's containing the numbers 1 and 10, which we have been practicing a lot of. So I think I can use the top of the number line. Here's 6, 7, 8. That's 8, 9. Now 15. Or if I need help, I can use the number line. 17, 18. Oh, it's like a 19. They're going to be 18 and 20. 19. 2, 3, 4, 5. And last one, 10, 11. Oh, I see up here, 12 and 13. Alright, good job, kindergarten. Once you finish doing this, you should jump over to Seesaw and post it on Seesaw for me. Thank you.